Hi, thanks for joining me in today's video where I'm going to try my hand at spinning mohair. So I have this gorgeous jet black mohair bat. So I've never spun mohair before. It has quite a good staple length to it. So let's go spin this up. So my bat was 50 grams, so I've split it. So I've spun up 25 grams onto this bobbin, and I'm just about to start the second bobbin. So I thought I'd just show you how I've got on so far. So I am spinning this up quite fine, and I'm going to lay it down on some paper to show you, and I'm aiming to spin this as a 4-ply. So let's just lay it down and see how it's looking.
So I'm going to use my little wooden gauge here. So these are really handy if you've not seen them before. They're really reasonably priced on Amazon or eBay. So I'll leave a link in the description box below for the one I purchased here. So all you do is, I've done a ply back, and you just lay the ply back in the little ridges. So you can see that they're labelled chunky, DK, fingering weight, lace weight, and you just lay it in the little ridge, and where it slots in is the weight of yarn that you spun up. So I found this little tool very, very handy. So just lay it in, and it just shows me that I have spun the 4-ply, the fingering weight yarn that I wanted. So that's perfect. So back to the spinning wheel now to spin up the second half of the mohair, keeping it at the same gauge, the fingering weight gauge. So I'm just going to continue now spinning up this second half, ready for plying. So I've just taken it off the niddy noddy, and I'm really pleased with how it's plied up. It's looking and feeling really, really nice. I'm really pleased with it so far. So I think it's spun up really, really well, and it's got a lovely, lovely sheen to it. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, and it's really, really soft. It's not overly fluffy at the moment, but with a wash, it's going to fluff up and plump up. So I'm really looking forward to washing it and seeing how it comes out after it's dried. So let's go and do that now. And here is the finished skein. So spinning mohair for the first time on my Ashford Traditional spinning wheel has really been a truly enjoyable experience. I found the process to be much easier than I had anticipated, and it was a joy to see the fibre come together at the end so beautifully. So if I were to adjust anything in the future, I would perhaps experiment with adding less twist to allow the fibre to flap up even more, just to enhance that airy light quality. But with that being said, I couldn't be happier with this skein. The mohair is so incredibly pleasant to work with, and I can confidently say this will not be the last time you will see me spinning mohair. In fact, it has become one of my favourite spins to date. So if you're considering spinning mohair, I highly recommend giving it a try. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video and watching the process of the mohair being spun up and the final result. So I'd be really interested to know what your favourite fibre to spin up is. So do let me know in the comments below. I'd be really interested to read those. So if you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe, because I do plan on spinning up a variety of different fibres throughout 2025 and discovering which are my favourites. So the next one I plan to spin up is a gorgeous white Icelandic fibre. So if you want to see that one, then do hit the like and subscribe button and you won't miss a future video. So thank you so much again for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.